Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Wraps Day. Today we're gonna make an easy chicken salad wrap with bacon mayo. For the wrap, I chose this carrot wrap. It's really yellow and it's sweet. I like a little bit sweetness to my food, so we're gonna use this one. Now, I'm gonna put on some bacon mayonnaise. And we're gonna put about 1 tablespoon on it. Not too much. Just enough to really taste it. You know I'm lazy, so I used some mixed bag lettuce with some herbs in it. It's really delicious. I also bought this pre-cooked chicken. And it's a little bit spicy. I like a little bit spice in my food. Now, when it comes to folding, there are many ways. Let me show you 3 of them. First a little small fold, and then put the sides folded back to the inside. Now the other one. There. Now it's ready and you can eat it this way, if you like. But there's another way. Make a big fold and put in the sides again to the middle. Now it will be a little bit smaller, more handleable. And the last one, we're gonna make a little pocket out of it and really tuck it in. Really tuck it in. Now put in the sides, fold it over, and there you go. Little squeeze. Now, I like this one. Let's cut it and look inside. Now that looks great. Well, I'm gonna eat it. Yum! This is my chicken salad with bacon and mayonnaise wrap. It's really easy and so delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you're not new, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, give me a comment, let me know how you like wraps and how you make them. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill. See you there.